Okay. Uh...
Tornado emergency for locations along the path of the tornado. The National Weather Service (NJ) has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Campus County. This includes the city of Hamilton, Jay County, central Goldberg County. This includes the cities of Newville, Nuthers Edge, and Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Forsyth, 3 miles west of Forest Glade, moving north-northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for locations along the path of the tornado. Take cover now. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. Locations impacted include Nuthers Edge, Jorge, Mike, Jackson, Tyga, Texona, Shady, Ironville, Greenside, and Cayley. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday from Blumia. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.